Number 23. Find the zeros of the function and state the multiplicities. So all of these terms, negative 3x squared, 5x to the fifth, and 12x to the fourth, they have 4 x's in there, so we can go ahead and factor those out. From here, we're going to go ahead and have to factor this. I prefer doing the bottoms up method. And the way that that works is we multiply the a and the c term to get a standard trinomial. Then we play the x game. We need factors of negative 36 that add up to 5, which are going to be 9 and negative 4. From here, we write our factors out. And then we divide by the term that we multiplied originally. So we're going to divide both of these by negative 3. If they divide evenly, like they do right here, we're going to let them divide. If they don't divide evenly, like over here, we're going to write this term in front of our x. Now, this is a negative divided by a negative, which will make both of these positive, so this factor is going to be 3x plus 4. So finding the zeros means that we have to set each individual term equal to 0 and then solve for x. So we're going to have x to the fourth equals 0, x minus 3 equals 0, and 3x plus 4 equals 0. Then we take the fourth root of both sides over here. We add 3. We subtract 4. Divide by 3 here. So x is negative 4/3. X is 3. And x equals 0. Now, because we took the fourth root, this 0 means that it has a multiplicity of 4. And that means that we have 6 solutions here. We have 0 that occurs 4 times. We have x equals 3 and x equals negative 4/3. So these are all of our zeros here.